Hello YouTubers. So this is the first video series or the first video of the entire series where we are trying to build a smart clock. Currently this is what I have. So this is the 16 by 32 RGB LED panel that I have. What you're seeing right now is actually the date and you're seeing the temperature that has been reported out by the RTC. So I'll quickly show the components and the boot sequence for this clock. Um, I'm using an ESP8266 in the background. So this is how the whole thing boots. And the problem with ESP8266 right now is this. So it is kind of not showing me the complete display because I think it is busy doing the Wi-Fi routines that it has. And this is a real big problem for us, and that is where I'm looking out for different options for this. But then this is the display, so let me show you the part list for this, right? This is the display. This is the ESP8266 that I've connected to it. This is the RTC with the coin cell that's inside, and the breadboard is just to share the wiring across, so for common grounds and common voltage supplies and stuff like that. So I'm not sure why this happens because when the ESP8266, when I just do a reset on this, let's say, right, it goes full. I mean, you can see everything perfectly, but when it reads the time and it's trying to connect to the Wi-Fi, right, from the RTC, I think that time it goes something happens to it and goes it only shows half digit. So right now it is trying to show me 642, but it's not there. So maybe this is the problem if we kind of stick with only one ESP8266. What I might want to do is kind of have another ESP8266 connect drives this matrix display, whereas I try to kind of do another ESP8266 talking to it on a serial port and give commands to it and stuff like that. So that is the problem that I'm looking at right now for this one. The wiring for this panel is kind of cryptic, but then it's okay. So what they've done is ESP8266 does not have enough data lines to drive this one. So what they've done is actually they've connected all the A, B, and C sequences into kind of sequential. So they are kind of putting data in and data out. So it's like a serial buffer that they have created out of it, and they're just feeding in one line here, right, which is the R1, and the rest are all the control circuitry that it requires. So latch, strobe, and all the other stuff. So that is what it is. But I don't know why this happens. So I'm still debugging this issue. So this is like the first quick overview of the clock that I'm trying to build here, and this is the first 2-minute video that we are doing right now. So let me know if you like this or if you have any comments on this one. Do share and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.